Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am bringing you Mackenzie Child's Courtly Check. I could not close out this Christmas series without using or showing you my DIYs of Mackenzie Child's Courtly Check. I absolutely love this design. The checks are, I like to say, a cream color and black and gold trimming and gold and the courtly checks. So beautiful. I just absolutely love it because y'all know I am a gold lover. And I just wanted to just do the courtly check. How's everyone doing? I'm so thankful and grateful and blessed to be alive. So I just wanted to bring you, just a setting with the courtly check. And I just absolutely love this styling. Okay, so um here again we have the courtly check, Mackenzie Child courtly check, and here we have coasters that I have DIY'd, hand painted. As we know, courtly check is not there is not a perfect check, it's not a perfect paint. So here we have the off-white and the black squares with gold in it, and I also trimmed mine in gold also, so because I love gold. And here we did the apothecary jar the same way, and I did the gold top, and I painted this here. Okay, and here we have this beautiful, beautiful burgundy, deep burgundy box. It's showing like a light burgundy, but on camera it's showing like a light burgundy. but it's a deep burgundy, and it is so, so beautiful. And these, I got that from the thrift store for $1.49. The beads, they came from, the gold beads came from Dollar Deal. I paid $1.09 for that. And this gold candle, beaded candle, beautiful, beautiful candle. It's beaded, it's so beautiful. Came from Burlington. This here's reindeer. Came from from Goodwill. And of course I adorned her up, or him up. Her, she too fly to be. But anyway, I put some bling eyes on him, and I've had him for a few years now. And a button right here, and the fur I put on him. Okay. And we have these 2 boxes back here. They came from Dollar Deal. And this here came from Dollar General. And here we have another Courtly check, DIY. It's a vase. And yeah. That I hand painted. And here we have some flowers from the Dollar Tree and from Dollar Deal. The gold ones came from Dollar Deal, and the burgundy ones came from, they showing red on camera, but they're burgundy. And the greenery came from Dollar Tree. These here came from, I want to say Michael's. Yeah, years ago. Yeah. So, and over here on the couch, we have this beautiful, beautiful burgundy throw. And I have the gold drape. I call it the drape curtain jewelry. But I also use it for my throws here. Okay, so pretty. It has bling in it. And a beautiful burgundy throw. Oh, this here came from C.H. Martin when we had C.H. Martin. I missed that store so much. And this here throw came from, I believe this came from C.H. Martin. Yeah. Yep. And we have these beautiful pillows here. These beautiful fur pillows. They came from Dollar General a few years back. This beautiful burgundy pillow from Pier 1. Okay, this came from Goodwill. Okay. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I would love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Also, here at the Queen's Court, we do DIYs, we do collabs, we do tablescapes, we do thrifting, we do Dollar Tree hauls, you know. So we do a lot here at the Queen's Court. And remember, it's just nice to be nice. And I love all my subscribers. Y'all are so precious to me. And I pray for y'all all the time. I want you to know that. that you have somebody praying for you, that cares about you, and grateful for you. Yes, thank you so, so much for coming on and viewing my videos. I appreciate y'all so much. And for subscribing to the Queen's Court. I love you. All right, have a Merry Christmas and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.